Melalui Kongres wilayah kan pinjungi kamu pengilayo ya kah
majority
halor wilayo ya majority lain maka jingrum jongki wilayah ki Kongres MLA tharai wilayah TV ke wilayah express media kumi express kalau kutu tiki hanya nak link jongi kum kan di parti don kanu kanu jimut ban wen yeno ro mar broch ka tu wilayah Thailand do harja ka pra sudah hiba coalition patana jongi ni terus iki don kanu kanu jimut ban kan ria ni ban rek ngintai hadu benda ku di katem bat kumju ni kiminti ban teng so ade aro pramu te lang kumju. That is opinion. There is nothing from the NPP party against anybody, against any party. This later, they are for development as like how they express very clearly in the media, and that is the one. You see, because maybe they are all senior politicians, they express very clearly also because we need development for people, so we have to choose and set the right directions. Maybe they see that the performance of the government is very good. Maybe that is one of the reasons they are joining with the NPP. No, that I cannot say, no. The only thing that every political party who want to join NPP, they are most welcome and we welcome them. Within approach from NPP, some of them are approaching us, so we are still examining it. Somebody is approaching us, but they are most welcome if they come. Same partner, and will continue further even beyond 28 also.
And under the leadership of?
Different question. Let us win fast on 28 all. No? Leadership or about the chief minister, please pray you'll get a good leadership for the state of Meghalaya. That is the most important part. Whether Mr. A will be the chief minister, or whether Mr. B will be the chief minister, please pray so that the people of the state will get a good chief minister.